from parts of Kansas through Missouri into Illinois, Wisconsin, parts of the UP at this point getting non-severe thunderstorms. At the moment, the strongest storms are down here across parts of southern Missouri, but we have a chance for strong thunderstorms later today here across Metro Detroit. Now, it's been a very busy weekend. Take a look at the hundreds of storm reports and nearly 50 tornadoes across parts of the plains. And it's going to be very active here across Metro Detroit as well. So here's our setup, folks. Stretching from parts of Texas all the way into Missouri, we have the heightened risk of severe weather. The chance for severe weather does push into parts of Metro Detroit for this afternoon and increasing during the overnight hours. Right now, we're quiet. Some high clouds out there, but that is about it. Those storm chances, though, are what we're going to be tracking today and tomorrow as well. Right now, generally, 60s out there. A mild start to the day. Heat and humidity combined to give us that storm chance. So, look for a warmer day, and we're looking for a high of 86 degrees. We will be tracking thunderstorms here in the 7 First Alert Weather Center, and we invite you to download the Storm Shield app so you can track these thunderstorms from the palm of your hand. Go to stormshieldapp.com. It allows you to turn your iPhone device or your Android device into a weather radio. That way you can always be alerted to severe weather